Good morning, it's Bruce. Sorry I haven't seen you in a week or so. Today I'm going to start doing a little bit of honey harvest. We're going to try the fume boards we built the other day. I've got the lovely Miss Angela along to do all kind of assistance. Going to be using Honeybee Gone in my fume board, and we're going to spin out a little bit of honey. Let's see how it goes. I've set up my garage. I'm ready. All right, let's go. It's not as unpleasant as some of them, but it's not real nice either.
Wonder what you're saying. Don't take my honey.
Yet another hurricane bearing down on us. I've got the bees strapped down. This little swarm I caught, I'm just hoping for the best on. It doesn't have a good stand on it, but hopefully with that block on, it'll be okay. Everybody else is tied down. So, here we go again, huh? Hey, well, it's the morning after the hurricane. My bees are fine. I've got a bunch of tree limbs to clean out, and there's no electricity right now, but once again, looks like we come off pretty good. Yeah, here we go. Cleanup crew's still hard at work over here. All right, well, that was another honey harvest done and dusted. I hope you've enjoyed coming along with us. Now, what I think about those fume boards, good and bad. It wasn't a perfect situation. They worked well, and they did speed up my process quite a bit. One lesson I did learn is if I've got a couple of boxes above the queen excluder, I'll put the fume board on, run the bees down, take that box away, and I'll put the fume board back up on top of the next box for a minute before I take it away. It's very good. I did see my friend DC built some bee escapes that he used on his harvest this time. I was very impressed. That seemed to work very well. I'm going to build some, and I'll show you building them if you'd like. Now, if you like this video, I would appreciate it if you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, always comment, and I will see you next time. But the beekeeping journey goes on. You should take a look at this playlist right up here, which is all about beekeeping how-tos. Right, this is Bruce. I'll see you next time.